What sets successful lean leaders apart from others? Here are 7 fundamental success factors that can help achieve operational excellence. Lean is about continuous improvement. As a leader, provide vision, direction, and goals, but let your team figure out the how. Allow your team to try and sometimes fail. Be a coach and a teacher, don't tell them what to do. The goal is to teach them to think. Use PDCA, which stands for plan, do, check, and act. This simple learning and improvement cycle is very powerful. It should be the standard approach for everything you do. Have a clearly communicated vision and mission. Develop measurable goals and a strategy to achieve the goals in alignment with your vision and mission. Develop a standard problem-solving methodology. This becomes a common language practiced throughout the organization. Ensure that standard work is developed and continuously improved. Standard work is a repeatable work method utilized to meet process or customer requirements consistently. Utilize a daily management system. This allows the organization to visualize the status of operations in real time, identify problems, and ensure that the problems are solved. Implementing these 7 success factors can help achieve operational excellence. So, start working on them and see your organization thrive. To learn more, visit emsstrategies.com and contact us.